Hey, hello guys. This is Vanati. How are you doing? Let's start today's video with our motto: Winning is a choice, and we choose to win always. So, today I am going to talk about how to find trending days. Okay, so this is part two of the video idea, how to find trending days. So hope I you all have seen the part 1. This is part 2, and if you haven't seen it yet, please go and check that video so that you will know what settings I have applied for this moving average. Okay, to know the settings, please refer part 1. So now, what is a trending day? Trending day means the price will move upside. There will be small pullbacks, but the movement will be in upside. Like small pullbacks or extremely strong one side movement like that will happen. And here this is a downside movement, but it has small pullback and consolidation zone here. And this is uptrend day, this is downtrend day, and this is a consolidation day. So like how we can't survive without air and water. Human being can't survive without air and water, right? So like that, and market can't survive without range and trending days. There won't be trending days if there is no range day. So here, see, this is a range day for Nifty. And Nifty has Nifty was moving within a range for the whole day without any clear trend direction. So as it was consolidating for the entire day, the next day was gave a breakout and the price went up. It's like the next day was a trending day. This is a range day. This is a trending day. Again, this is somewhat like gap down, and the price tried to move upside, but it is unable to move and sustain the bull strength, and it fall down. Okay, again we are getting a consolidation here in this small area. Okay, so without range there won't be a trending movement in the market. So trending days and range bound days, these two type of movement is necessary for the market to move. Okay, so now let's start our analysis with the moving average. Okay, this is a 20 moving average, and I have applied a soothing line to it. Mm, so whenever the price is taking support at the 20 moving average, it will test the strength of bulls and bears. Okay, so here in bank Nifty, see, this is a range. Bank Nifty was moved in a range here, and after that, next day the price opened above this range, but unable to sustain, and it was falling towards the moving average. But it before it touching it, it got a uh, bullish sign here, and after that the price went upside. This is a trending movement of bank Nifty. Say similarly, like here the price opened gap down, but it didn't go move upside, and it fall down. And here it consolidated for some time, and again the downtrend continued. So there will be pullbacks, like here this is a pullback, and this is consolidation, this is a breakout. Same thing in happened in uptrend. This is a pullback, and it went up, consolidated, and again gave a breakout. So always there will be a range movement before any big trending movement, breakout movement. Okay, so range movement is good, as in that range movement the buyers or sellers will gain strength. So here the Nifty is below the moving average and it was unable to move above it and consolidated, and it was testing the moving average for some time and it fall down. So this is a very good movement. uh, and then the price opened above the moving average and consolidated for some time. This is consolidation for nifty, this place. Okay, so consolidated and again it gave an upside breakout and it moved up. So how to know whether you have to buy or sell? Like some days there will be a confusion whether we can buy or sell. Like some days a gap down, the price will open gap down but it will move upside, and some days it will open gap up and it will fall down. So how to know we have to buy or sell? So for that I am using another indicator here. This is MACD normal settings only. The not any, I didn't change anything here. This is an default setting. Okay, so I have applied MACD here, and let's see how to combine these things to find our right entry. Whenever the MACD is above 0, this is the zero line, and whenever the MACD is above 0 means the bars will be in green or light green, and whenever the MACD is below 0, then the bars will be in red or light red. Okay, so we have to buy when MACD is above 0, and in the same time when the moving average, the price is above the moving average, it has to confirm these two conditions, like MACD above 0 and MACD above 0, and also moving price above the moving average. These two conditions should get satisfied for buying entry. For selling entry, they are opposite thing. Like MACD should be below 0 and the price should be below a moving average. Okay, so let's see the buying entry. Okay, so here the price consolidated. The next day we are very eager to know whether we, if it opens gap up, whether I can buy or sell. Okay, so here the price opened gap up and it was above the moving average, and the MACD was above 0 line, so we can buy. So after the consolidation, the price went up and we had a very good trade here, uptrend movement, and we captured this movement. And here the price opened gap down. Okay, so when the price was opening gap down, the price is below the moving average, but at that time the MACD was above 0, so we are waiting for the MACD to go below the moving average, and also the price should be below the moving average. Okay, so here, from here, the price is testing the moving average, and also it was below the MACD was below 0. So this consolidation zone is the confirmation that we can sell, but once the consolidation zone breakout, the movement was good. Let's check Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty. This is range day, and after this range, um, you are expecting some movement. So the price opened here, but we have to wait till the MACD is moving above 0. So the MACD was um, mo- the histogram was here green from here itself, so we are waiting for the signal. So the price has consolidated here, so we are taking entry once it gave a breakout, or when the price is taking support here, this line, we can take once the MACD is above the 0 line. Mm, and the same thing, uh, already the histogram bars are in a red color. So, and also the price opened gap down and it is below the moving average, so we can take entry. But the first candle is big, and if we want to have a very good risk reward, then we have to wait for pullback, and the price pull had a pullback here. Again it consolidated here. Okay, so once the consolidation gave a breakout, the price fall down nicely. This is how you can find the trending movement. Like here, this is ITC. Last week I have taken this chart to explain part one also. So just to confirm the trend, we should know whether it is forming lower high or upper high or higher high, like that. So this is a downtrend because it was making lower low and lower high and all, and then it was moving upside like a higher low higher high, and it was moving upside. So here whenever the price is testing the moving average, and also the MACD is above the zero line, we can take entry around this level. And here when the MACD is started to begin trend, and when it is uh, below this zero line, and when the price is below this moving average, we can short here, so the price fall down nicely. And again uh, we didn't get a buy entry because the MACD, these lines did not move upside, and also sell we are getting here, the sell we are getting sell. But now the next day, if the price breaks above this zone, then we can expect some uh, movement here, upside movement or downside movement, if it breaks this consolidation zone in ITC. And last in last part also we have seen the mind tree. So mind tree has given entry here, the first candle. So this is an entry, and it gave a very nice movement, upside movement. And then for shorting opportunity came here itself. This is a shorting opportunity. Price is below the moving average, and the MACD is also below zero line. So this is a shorting opportunity. And once again, when you are seeing this green line closing below this zone, but it is a big candle, so we have to wait for the pullbacks to get a proper risk reward. So the price consolidated here around this moving average. So once it break this break this consolidation zone, and also already it is MACD is below zero, so we can take entry here, and it gave a very nice downside movement. And then here we are getting trade here, this range, but it looks like a consolidation zone. So whenever you are looking this type of setup, like this setup has happened in on April 21st. So when you are seeing a chart for the next day's trade, if you see such trade setups, the next day if the price opened above this taking support of moving average, and already the MACD is above the zero line, you can take entry. Even you can go to shorter time frame like 5 minutes, and you can take entry. See here, in 5 minutes the price was above the MACD is above zero line, and the second candle was above the moving average, so you can take entry here. It gave a nice upside moment. So you can pre-plan your trade like that. It's not a very big deal. You can pre-plan your trade by using this type of trade setups. I have taken Reliance. So far I have shown you the example of indexes: Nifty, Bank Nifty, ITC, Mindtree, and this is Reliance. So Reliance this week it has give a very nice move. Like it takes support at the moving average, and it went up. So here this is a consolidation zone, And once the price move, the MACD moved above zero, and when the price moved above this uh, moving average, we can take entry here. This is the range. So like that, if you are seeing any consolidation zones and all, and MACD, how it is forming, observe both of these things, and you can pre-plan. Like April 18th, you got this trade setup, and the next day, April 19th, you can take entry, and then next day. Here also already MACD is above, and you can take entry once the price is opening above this line, and you can go for shorter time also, like 5 minutes, and take entry. So far, let me summarize what we have learned so far. We are here. We are finding the trending days to trade. So, how to trade on trending days is after any consolidation or range, we will get trending movement. The whole day, if the price is consolidating, means the next day the price will give movement, the upside breakout or downside breakout, depending on the stock's strength. For that, I am using 20 moving average combined with soothing line, and also I am using the MACD with default setting. So, and whenever the buy trade setup is like when the MACD is above zero line, and when the price is above the moving average, or it is whenever it is taking support, I am looking for a bullish confirmation, and I am taking entry. And for pre-plan also, it will be helpful, as the previous day, if you are seeing a consolidation zone, you can take down those stocks, and next day, if it gives breakout above this consolidation, you can take entry, and have a good profit. So it is useful for index also, Nifty, and also for bank Nifty, and also for stocks. So this is the buying criteria: MACD above zero, price above moving average, and there should be consolidation, because before any big movement, there will be a consolidation. And one more thing is, like whenever there is a breakout, the price won't overlap, the candles won't overlap. Here, the consolidation means the candles will be overlapping with each other. Okay, so see this one, two, three, the same range, four, five, six candles are in same range. And here also it was like that only. But once it gives a movement, it is a slow uptrend. That's why it is moving like that. But otherwise, see this breakout, the candle was falling nicely. So it will be like the trending movement will be without any overlapping, and whenever there is a consolidation, there will be a breakout. So that's all for today. Keep learning and keep trading, and always remember, you can trade better than you think.